Alright guys, so today we're going to be swapping out the throttle pedal on my 2004 Nissan Sentra Spec V. Alright guys, so just to make things a little bit easier, we're going to take off this plastic piece right here. And to do that, we just have this screw right over here. This screw, it's right in here. You should just be able to pull down and pop this out. So after you guys pull out that plastic panel, there's going to be an OBD2 diagnostics port. So basically what you're just going to want to do is just unscrew it. It's way easier just to unscrew it than to try to fiddle with the clips, especially with this old Nissan plastic. So I would just unscrew this. So to get things started, there's going to be a 10mm nut at the bottom and then 2 more 10mm nuts up top. So now that we're under here, I already took off this, it's sort of like a cross member looking thing. And it's just 2 10mm bolts, really easy, real quick. And then yeah, you're gonna be able to really get your head under here and look at this this pedal. So basically, to take this connector off, it's like a little slider plastic piece. So I would just grab it by the red part and then pull out, and then you'll see it start to separate, and then the clip will just pop right off. So I've seen a few things on the forums about how after you do this, you need to reset your throttle pedal, basically doing the whole pedal dance. And so far, I'm good to go. There's nothing extra that I needed to do. I don't know if that's just in my specific case. I guess if you have problems, then go ahead and do it. But so far, I have no issues. All right, guys, so I'm here on my test drive, and everything seems to be good. I noticed that the throttle pedal is like 19 times stiffer than the old one. Obviously, that's probably going to be the case because the other one was worn out. Hell yeah, brother.